Ever wished you could play your friend's awesome Steam game without spending a dime? Well, today, we're diving into Steam Family Sharing to show you exactly how to borrow and play games from your friends. First things first, you need to be friends on Steam. Make sure you've sent and accepted a friend request. This is essential for the whole process. Next, we need to authorize the sharing on your computer. Log into your Steam account now, open the Steam client and go up to Steam in the top left corner. Head to Settings there. In the Settings window, you'll see a left-hand menu. Click on Family on the right. You will see a section called Family Sharing. If your friend is nearby, have them log into their account on your computer now. Then tick the box that says Authorize this computer. This authorizes your computer so they can share their games with you. Once you've authorized the computer, you will see a list of all of your friends that are logged into the computer. Check the box next to the names of the friends you want to share games with. If they are not logged on, you will have to come back and do these steps when they are. Now your part is complete. Your friend can now log into their account and share with you. As soon as your friend has authorized your computer and the box is ticked, you should now see their games in your library. Simply click Install on any of their games that you want to test out and start playing. Note, only one person can play a shared library at a time, and some games might not be shareable. Now go and enjoy your friend's library, and happy gaming.